Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Shopify store stand out with fun, eye-catching gifts, you're in the right place. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to add gifts to your Shopify store. Whether it's on your homepage, product pages, or any custom page. Step by step, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have an active Shopify store and that you're logged into your Shopify dashboard. Now, decide where you want to add your GIF. It could be your homepage banner, a product description, or even a how it works page. The process is basically the same for all of them. Let's start with adding a GIF to a page or section of your store. Go to your Shopify admin panel, click on Online Store, and then hit Customize to open your theme editor. From here, you can add a new section, for example, a custom liquid section. This is where we'll place the GIF's embed code. Now, head over to giphy.com or any site where you host your GIF. Find the one you like, click Share, then choose Embed Copy that embed code. Go back to Shopify, paste the embed code right into the custom liquid box, and hit Save. Instantly, your GIF will appear on your site. You can adjust the section placement, move it up or down, or resize it to match your layout. If you'd rather add a GIF directly into a page, go to Online Store, Pages, pick the page you want, and open the editor, click the Show HTML button in the toolbar, paste your GIF's embed code, and then toggle back to the editor view. You'll see your GIF loaded right there. Simple as that. You can even add GIFs directly to a product listing. Just open your product, scroll down to the media section, click Add from URL, and paste your GIF link, save your changes, preview your product, and you'll see it live in action. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Shopify store. Whether you're adding some humor, motion, or just more personality to your store, GIFs are an awesome way to grab attention. And it's completely free to do. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of customizations you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.